Okay, so we're here with Jaden and Jack. Okay, now they're in year 6 and they're making a Morse code. Okay, now Jack, can you sound out the letter A for me, please? Okay, and Jaden, can you do the letter W for me, please? Good stuff. Now, Jack,
Yeah.
how did you come up with this technique to work out how other people can work out what you're saying with the music instrument?
So basically, let's say the letter K, you would do that and then do a little tap like that and then do it fully again. And that means K because this someone given a sheet with a bunch of lines and dots. The dots equal just the halfway.
Good.
The lines equals just like fully.
Okay, brilliant. So if it's just a dot, you do a little sound, but if it's a line, okay, you do a full length noise.
Yeah.
Okay, brilliant. Now, which is the most difficult letter to do on there, would you say, Jack?
Out of the numbers 2,
Yeah, whichever. Which is the hardest?
I'd probably say. Actually, I would probably say L because it's a lot of hard work to do. Like, there's a lot for L.
Okay. Okay, and
Really confusing.
Jaden, what about yourself? What would you say is the hardest one?
I will say the servo because you have to carry on doing it,
Yeah.
and it might kiss your arm. Right.
Okay, no problem. Thank you, boys. Thank you.
Hello, my name's Alfie Glover. Hello, my name's Taylor Walker.
And what we're doing today, boys?
I am sending a code to Taylor and he's going to try to figure it out.
Okay, good stuff. And what are you going to be using to send the code?
A torch.
A torch. Brilliant.
We're using a Morse code chart.
Okay, and what's on the Morse code chart?
All the alphabet and the actual symbols of Morse code.
Brilliant, good stuff. Now, so for a dot, Alfie, what would you be doing? Okay, alright. And for a dash, what are you going to be doing? Okay, good stuff. Alright, so are we ready?
Yep. Yeah.
And off we go. And brilliant, well done. Now, Taylor, what have you got there?
I've got, hello, my name is Alfie.
Now, Alfie, what was your code?
Hello, my name is Alfie.
Brilliant, good stuff. Now, Taylor, do you think you would have been able to do this job in World War II?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, what about yourself, Alfie?
Yeah.
Do you think you give clear indications of what letters you wanted to use on the Morse code? Yeah. And do you reckon under pressure you'd have been able to break these codes? Yeah? Good stuff, thank you.
My name's Zach. I'm Drake.
I'm Leighton.
I'm Reese.
And what we're doing today, Leighton?
So what we're doing is we've got down here a sheet of paper and we've got a dot, which when we've got a dot, Jake will be clinging this together. And when we've got lines, us three will be going like that.
Okay, so I'm just looking at a few dots and lines. Reese, what is it? What's it called?
It's from World War II. They didn't really want the other countries getting hold of the messages, so they found secret ways to send the messages, and this is one of them.
What is it? What is it?
Morse code.
Morse code.
They break it down to lines and dots, and each line, I think, is a letter.
That's correct. So, what sign are we going to have today for a dot? Good. And what sign are we going to have for a line? Brilliant. Okay. So today, I want you to play me your Morse code. Okay. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Brilliant. And what was that saying, that code?
We are from
Armthorpe.
Sherwood.
Sherwood, sorry.
Okay, now, would you feel if we did that to another country, they would understand?
Yes.
Yeah?
Well, if they
Well, I
knew
think it might take a little time to figure it out, but other than that, they would understand it. Yes.
Brilliant.
Because it was clear and in time.
Thank you for your time. Cheers.
Hello, my name is Jaden.
And my name is Jack, and we're doing Morse coding with this musical instrument.
Go on.